Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita. Welcome to my channel. So on my channel I do a lot of lipstick reviews. I love lipstick and I love to try new lipstick formula. So you'll see I have a lot of lipstick reviews on my channel, and I have a lot of lipsticks. I have hundreds of lipsticks with me, and I thought it will be a good idea to share my top 10 lipsticks formula with you guys. And there is one more special thing about it. Whatever lipstick formula I am sharing with you in today's video, all the lipsticks are under 300 rupees. There is only one lipstick which is slightly more than 300, but बाकी जो भी lipsticks हैं वो सब 300 के अंदर हैं. Now I'll be talking about only formula in this video. I'm not talking about any particular shade. I'm talking about the formula. I'm just sharing my experience with this formula and why I love these lipsticks. So I have here a combination of bullet lipsticks, creamy lipsticks, satin lipsticks and liquid lipsticks. So if you are interested to know my top 10 lipstick formulas under 300 rupees, please keep on watching this video. So first let's start with bullet lipstick, and the first lipstick I have is this one from Maybelline. It's their Color Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick. So it comes in this kind of packaging. कुछ जो lipsticks हैं उनकी packaging color coded है, and here is the lipstick. It's a bullet lipstick and it looks like this. This lipstick retails for 299 rupees and you get 3.9 gram of product in this. This is a very famous and very well loved formula from Maybelline. It's a creamy lipstick, so it's very comfortable to wear and it has a high color payoff. So you'll get a single swipe application. You'll get full pigmentation on your lips with single swipe only. It's very easy to apply and it's a very comfortable formula, and it's a creamy lipstick, so it is not transfer proof, but it stays for a good amount of time, like easily 6 to 7 hours it will stay. It's a very good lipstick and it has a very wide range of shades. Like आपको बहुत सारे shades मिल जाएंगे. I'm checking currently on Nykaa and I can see 27 shades are available on Nykaa currently. And Maybelline keep on launching new collections with the same formula, so you can get a lot of shades in this formula and it's a really good lipstick. If you like creamy comfortable formula and if you haven't tried this lipstick, you are missing a lot. Go check it out. This is a really beautiful formula. Now the next formula is from Nykaa and it's their So Creme Creamy Matte Lipstick. It comes in this color coded kind of packaging and the packaging is really cute, and it's again a bullet lipstick. So this lipstick retails for 299 rupees and you get 4.2 gram of product in this. The formula of this lipstick is very similar to this Maybelline Color Sensational lipstick. It's again very creamy, very comfortable. You get a good pigmentation in single swipe, but you'll have to apply like 2 layers to get a full pigmentation on your lips, but still the pigmentation is really good. The color is very opaque. Again, it's a very comfortable formula. It's a non-drying formula. क्रीमी लिपस्टिक है तो बिल्कुल भी आपके लिप्स को ड्राई नहीं करती है, एंड अगेन इट्स नॉट अ ट्रांसफर प्रूफ लिपस्टिक, सो यू विल हैव टू रीअप्लाई इट, but still it will last for a good amount of time, like 4 to 5 hours it will easily last. Again in this formula as well you get a huge range of shades, so there are 18 shades available in this lipstick range and there are very beautiful nude shades in this range, and I love few of the shades in this lipstick range, so this is also a very beautiful formula. Now the next formula is one of the new launches from Lakme, which is their Cushion Matte Lipstick. It comes in this kind of packaging. The packaging is not very good, I would say. It's like kind of okay packaging, but still the lipstick is good. And this is again a bullet lipstick. This lipstick retails for 275 rupees and you get 4.5 gram of product in this, and there are 20 shades available in this lipstick range. Again a huge range of shades, and there are few shades which are very beautiful. There are few nude shades in this lipstick range which are so beautiful. I have done detailed review on this lipstick. Actually I have done detailed reviews on most of these lipsticks, so if you want to see a detailed review and swatches of all the shades which I own from each of these lipstick formula, I'll mention the links in the description box and here as well, so you can go and check those videos out if you're interested. By the way, about this lipstick, this is again a creamy lipstick, so again a very comfortable formula. The color payoff is again very opaque. It's no, I'll swatch it for you so you can see. It's a very highly pigmented lipstick and you get a good pigmentation in single application only. Again very comfortable formula, non drying formula, still not transfer proof, but will last for a good amount of time. Easily 5 to 6 hours it will last. It's a very good formula, and if it fades away you can reapply this. Since it's a creamy lipstick, it's very easy to reapply. So the next formula is from Faces Canada. It's their weightless matte finish lipstick. It comes in this very beautiful all matte black packaging, and this is again a bullet lipstick. So this lipstick also retails for 299 rupees, and you get 4 gram of product in this, and there are 30 shades available in this lipstick range. Now this one is a matte lipstick. It's not a creamy matte lipstick, so it's not as creamy as this Maybelline lipstick or this Nykaa one. So it will be little difficult to apply this lipstick. There will be little bit of tugging or pulling involved when you are applying this lipstick, but it has a high color payoff, so you will get a good pigmentation in singles application again, just that it is little difficult to apply. And since it's a matte formula, it is little bit drying as well. Like my Maybelline and Nykaa, those lipsticks are not drying, they are very comfortable. This is comfortable, but it is little bit drying on the lips, but still it's comfortable. And since it's a matte formula, it doesn't transfer much. It's not a transfer proof lipstick. It will still transfer, but it won't transfer that much, and it will last for a good amount of time again. It will easily last for 5 to 6 hours. Now the next lipstick is Wet n Wild Mega Last Lip Color. So this lipstick retails for 295 rupees, and you get 3.3 gram of product in this. On Nykaa I can see there are 19 shades available in this lipstick range, but as far as I know there are more shades in this lipstick range, but at least on Nykaa I can see only 19 shades. This lipstick is one of the very old lipsticks I have in my collection. It's very old. Like I bought this lipstick I guess 2 years or more than 2 years back. It's a very good formula. It's again a creamy lipstick, but it's more matte than other creamy lipsticks. Like I don't know how to explain you, but it's creamy, but it's more matte than other creamy formulas I talked about just now. So it's again a creamy matte lipstick, so it's very easy to apply, very comfortable to wear. And this also has a good color payoff, but you won't get a full pigmentation in single application. You'll have to apply like multiple layers to get a full pigmentation with this lipstick, but still it's very comfortable formula, non-drying formula, and this one lasts for a good amount of time, like easily 6+ hours ke liye it will last. There's only one problem with this lipstick, which is the packaging. So when you open this, you can see a little bit of this lipstick is always out. It doesn't go back in the bullet. It will be always out like this, and you have this transparent cap. So whenever you are trying to close it, थोड़ी सी जो लिपस्टिक है ना वो कैप पे लग जाती है. लाइक इस लिपस्टिक पे भी देख सकते हैं आप, थोड़ी बहुत लिपस्टिक कैप पे लग गई है. सो दैट इज द ओनली इशू एंड इट लुक्स लिटिल डर्टी एंड मेसी. दैट इज द ओनली इशू विद दिस लिपस्टिक. एंड जो पैकेजिंग है ना वो बहुत अच्छी पैकेजिंग नहीं है. इट्स लाइक अ फ्लिम्जी पैकेजिंग. ये जो कैप है बहुत ही फ्लिम्जी है. So the packaging wise it's not that good, but the formula wise it's a very good lipstick. Now the next lipstick I have is from Elf Cosmetics. Elf sometime back launched in India on Nykaa, and this one is their Seriously Satin lipstick. I love this packaging of this lipstick. It looks very cute somehow to me. So this lipstick retails for 320 rupees. So this is the only lipstick which costs more than 300, and you get 3.5 gram of product in this. There are 8 shades available in this lipstick range. I guess in the US there are more shades available, but on Nykaa I can see only 8 shades in this lipstick. So this one is a satin lipstick, so it's very comfortable to apply on the lips, and it's very comfortable to wear. This one also has a good pigmentation, but you will have to apply like 2-3 layers to get a full pigmentation on your lips, but still the color payoff is really good. This is again very comfortable, non-drying and non-transfer proof. This will also transfer easily, but still it will last for like 4 hours or something. But it's a very beautiful formula, and it looks really beautiful on the lips. Now the next formula is one of my recent purchase, which is this one from Swiss Beauty. It's the HD Matte Lipstick, and this is how this lipstick looks like. The packaging of this lipstick is very similar to the packaging of Huda Beauty Powder Matte Lipsticks. It looks very similar. This one has this magnetic closure as well. Like it's not as good as the Huda Beauty lipsticks, the packaging, but still it looks very nice. Now it's a matte formula, so it's not very creamy like the other creamy lipsticks, but still it's a It's a very creamy formula, it's very easy to apply, it glides on the lips very easily, and this one also has a opaque pigmentation, like one swipe application आपको मिलती है इस lipstick के साथ. Very comfortable to apply, very comfortable to wear. This is also not transfer proof. Creamy lipsticks anyway won't be transfer proof. वो transfer हो ही जाती है. So this is also not transfer proof, but still it will last for a good amount of time. This one retails for 299 rupees and you get 3.5 gram of product in this, and there are 24 shades available in this lipstick range. There is only one problem with this lipstick, which is the packaging, actually the closure. So it has this magnetic closure actually, but it doesn't close properly. तो easily ना बहुत easily खुल जाएगी ये lipstick if you are carrying this lipstick. So that is the only problem I faced with this lipstick. So those are all the bullet lipsticks. Now let's talk about the liquid lipsticks, and the first one which I have is from Miss Claire. It's their soft matte lip cream. So this is how this lipstick looks like, and these lipsticks are perfect dupe of NYX soft matte lip cream. I have tried the lipsticks from NYX as well, the soft matte lip cream, and these are perfect dupe of those lipsticks. Now the prices of this lipstick varies from 200 to 300. हर website पे ना आपको अलग-अलग price देखने को मिलेगी. I think on Nykaa it retails for 295 or something, like 250 से 300 के बीच में, and other websites पे you can find it like in 200 to 250, and अगर आप lucky हो तो आपको ये lipstick 150 से 200 के बीच में भी मिल सकती है, because it's available, like it's widely available, it's available on local stores as well. तो you know इसका जो प्राइस है वो फिक्स नहीं है somehow, so you can find it for different prices, and there is a huge range of shades available in this lipstick range. Like there are 100 of shades I guess. कुछ ऐसे shades हैं जो अब discontinue हो चुके हैं, कुछ नए shades आ चुके हैं. So there are a lot of shades available in this lipstick range, and you can totally find the shade of your choice in this one. Now this is a creme formula, like soft creme lipstick, so it has that moussey kind of texture to it. It feels very comfortable on the lips. It's not drying like जो liquid lipsticks होती है ना, वो थोड़ा drying होती है lips पे, but this is not drying because of that soft moussey kind of formula it has. So it's very comfortable to wear, it's non-drying, and it is not 100% transfer proof, but it transfers very less, and it will last for a good amount of time, like 6 hours or something. It will last easily, and it's a very nice formula. Now the next formula is one of my favorite liquid lipstick formula, which is this one from Lakme. It's their Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick. This lipstick retails for 295 rupees, and you get 5.6 ml of product in this, and there are 30 shades available in this lipstick range, and the shade range is so beautiful. You can find nude shades, pink, peach, deep shades, like all kind of shades you will find in this lipstick range. It's a very nice lipstick, and the shade range is so beautiful, and that's why it's one of my favorite lipstick, because the formula is really good, it's really affordable, and you're getting a really good formula in this price. So it's a liquid lipstick and it has a matte formula. Now the consistency of this lipstick is very liquidy. It's not moussey or thick. It's very liquidy formula. It's easy to apply. The applicator here, what you get is very stiff, so it doesn't hold a lot of product. So you might need to dip the applicator multiple times to get full pigmentation, because the color is also not very opaque. So you need to apply like 2 layers at least to get a full coverage on your lips, full pigmentation on your lips. And since the applicator doesn't hold a lot of product, you might need to dip the applicator again in the tube, but still overall the formula is really good. This lipstick sets into matte finish, like in few seconds it will set into matte finish, and it's non-drying. It's a matte formula, but still it is non-drying. Also the lasting power of this lipstick is really good. It's a transfer proof formula, it won't transfer, so it will last for like easily 7 to 8 hours, and still it's very comfortable to wear and non-drying. Now the last lipstick formula is again one of my favorite liquid lipstick formula, which is this one from Maybelline. It's a sensational liquid matte lipstick. Now this lipstick retails for 349 rupees. I know it's more than 300, but you can easily find discount on this lipstick. Maybelline पे generally आपको discount मिल ही जाता है, so you can always find this lipstick under 300 rupees. And in this one you get 7 ml of product. So there is not a wide range of shades in this lipstick range. There are only 11 shades, but the shades which are available are very pretty. So this is a liquid lipstick and it has a matte formula, but the consistency of this lipstick is not very liquidy. It has that thick moussey consistency, and the color pigmentation is very opaque, so you will get a good pigmentation on your lips in single application, but you might need to apply second layer to have a full coverage of the lips, but still the pigmentation is very good, the color is very opaque, and the applicator is this doe foot applicator, but it's not as stiff as the Lakme one, so it holds good amount of product, so you don't need to dip this applicator again in the tube. एक ही बार में आपको काफ़ी अच्छी pigmentation मिल जाती है lips के ऊपर, and the formula is really good. The formula is very comfortable. It's very easy to apply and it's very comfortable to wear. Again, it's a non-drying lipstick. बिल्कुल भी dry नहीं करती lips को, so it's very comfortable to wear. You can wear it for a long time easily, and again it's a long lasting lipstick. It will easily last for 7+ hours. Since it's a transfer proof formula, थोड़ा बहुत transfer होती है शुरू में, but not that much, so it will last for a good amount of time, and it's a very pretty formula. So yeah guys, those were my top 10 lipstick formulas under 300 rupees, and that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Then take care. Bye.